In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Authenticator for your Facebook account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have enhanced the security of your Facebook profile through two-factor authentication. So grab your phone and let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Facebook account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, locate and click on your profile, usually found in the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. This should open a drop-down menu where you'll next want to click on Settings and Privacy. Within this submenu, you'll see a settings option. Click on that to proceed. Now you're in the main settings area. Here, look for the password and security tab and click on it. You'll find it in the left-hand sidebar. This is the section where we'll be focusing most of our efforts today. Once inside, scroll down until you see two-factor authentication and click on it. If prompted, you might need to select the specific Facebook account that you want to secure if you have multiple accounts logged in. In the two-factor authentication section, choose to set up with an authentication app. When you click Next, you'll be presented with a QR code and a setup key by Facebook. This is crucial because it acts like a unique lock and key for your account security. So be sure to keep it private and secure. Now, switch over to your mobile device and open the Google Authenticator app. If you don't have it downloaded yet, it's available for free in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once you have it open, you can scan the QR code by pointing your camera at the image displayed on your Facebook settings page. Alternatively, if you'd prefer not to use your camera or if it's not functioning, you can choose to manually enter the setup key provided by Facebook. To do this, select the option Enter a Setup Key in the Google Authenticator app. Next, you'll be prompted to give this setup a name within the Google Authenticator app. Choose something identifiable such as Facebook, and then type in the key you copied from Facebook. Once that's done, you should see a new 6-digit code generated in the app specifically for your Facebook account. Finally, switch back to Facebook on your computer or tablet. Here, you'll be asked to enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator. Type it in accurately to complete the setup process. And there you have it. Google Authenticator is now linked with your Facebook account, adding an extra layer of security. This method of two-factor authentication is a fantastic way to keep your online presence secure. Remember to keep your phone safe and ensure your Authenticator app is secure, as it will now serve as a vital part of accessing your Facebook account. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Stay safe and secure online.